So today I'm starting with a classical terracotta container to jazz up your doorway. First thing to do, because all pots have a drainage hole at the bottom, is to add in some crocks. The crock stops too much water from leaking out over your doorway, your patio or your balcony. And by crocks, it can mean anything as simple as little stones or pieces of broken crockery. Next we add in compost. Now compost for a container such as this can be any multi-purpose compost. We're not looking for anything too special. We fill it up to about 2/3 of the container and then we can start to plant in. Traditionally how we do it is we use something like a vertical plant as a centerpiece. And this is something that is perennial and evergreen, so it'll last more than our autumn winter season. It'll still be there in spring and gives us a great backdrop, a lovely foil to other plants that we're going to add in. Next of all, I've selected a heuchera, which is a wonderful perennial plant. And again with heucheras, it's really good to tease out some of the roots. That way the roots don't bind up together but spread out into the pot. And this colour really complements the cordyline here that's in the centre. And then we come to the star of the show, or the plants that are most useful, which are bedding. And bedding really are used to fill in the gaps, but also to give us that very seasonal colour tone range. And bedding can be changed out in each season to refresh this pot and make it more colour suitable to your background. So here we have some winter pansies. And winter pansies come in all different colour ranges, shades and tones. Here we have a beautiful velvety orange colour, which again matches in and complements. Of course, you could always use colours that contrast with your arrangement, but this is pretty much the classic standard of a beautiful autumnal pot that would last through winter and even into spring.